Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how to insert your SIM card into your iPhone 12 mini. This is a very simple process, and what you're going to need is the SIM ejection tool that you can find inside the paperwork that came with your iPhone, but you can also use a paper clip or something like an earring if you can't find the original one. Then you're going to go to the left hand side of your device where you'll see a small tray at the bottom. This is where your SIM card lives, and you're going to insert the SIM ejection tool and use a little bit of force, and the tray should pop out. Then you simply slide it out, and you basically want to line up the flat edge with the flat edge of the tray, and it should fit in properly. So for this, it looks like it's upside down, and then you just slide it back into your phone, lining up the hole, and the SIM card looks like it's upside down, but however it fits properly for you. And you push it back in, make sure it's flush, and you should be good to go. Then when you turn on your phone, you should see the service there. Now you can see that I already have my SIM card and my data set up on the phone, so adding the SIM card just added a second service signal there, and you can modify those in the cellular settings, but otherwise if you hadn't set it up yet, you would see just one of those bars up there. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.